Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Right now it's nighttime, so you'll probably see. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so you don't miss out none of my new upcoming, when I make new posts on my channel. Follow my social medias, that be Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. And so, but yeah, you'll probably see the title, that why I'm gonna answer some of y'all questions. When I had posted that Walmart video I had did of when I how I got hired. Also, you'll probably hear the fan in the back because it's like hot in my room, y'all. It's like, so yeah, I'm gonna be doing it to answer the questions. I'm gonna go on my video that I had did. That was the Walmart video that I did. And I must say thank y'all for subscribing, but go and watch all my last videos I had did, my pre-release videos I had did, so go watch them. If I'm not commenting, that's really good to kind of do that. But y'all been commenting on here, I'm just like, y'all gotta like slow down on it. So like, I know this one is from 10 months ago. So it says, I'm trying to get my job back at Walmart. If you're trying to get your job, if you're trying to get back to work at Walmart, probably should like retake that testing. If you are trying to get back to work at Walmart, get back on there or something like that. Sometimes I did hear that you can transfer to another Walmart. You can just talk to your store manager and do that. That's what you get to like like if you're trying to like transfer to another Walmart, that's the first thing I would say. Is that you should just like talk to your store manager and tell the store manager that you want to transfer to another Walmart. You want to go to another Walmart that's closer to where you live at. You want to change the position. But I will give you a heads up. Sometimes every Walmart will still change things. They would do that. Every Walmart do that. Because if you move to another Walmart, I'm going to be on about that. If you're going to transfer to another Walmart, they're going to do the same thing. They're going to like, you know, put you in something else that you really didn't want to do. And they gonna might not be in the same department. You probably will put you in another department because that's how Walmart do. But it's a lot of comments. I can't like I got 604 comments on my video from I said how to get hired at Walmart. It says, what number would you call them to ask about a job open? Sometimes you can look up on walmart.com/career. You don't type in opening, but just type in the city you in, and it will tell you what positions they have open. You can look it up on walmart.com/career, and that's how you could do that to kind of find out about what. I literally had a viral meeting and greet today. It went so terrible. I had a social anxiety, and so I actually nervous, or if I said it right. And I feel like I was random with most of my answers, making any sense. But I feel like I was only offered the job only because there was delay in my hiring. Overall, I got questions like, tell me about yourself and why should I consider for this position. I was nervous to say it the first time. When every job I like, especially when I was at Goodwill, I first time got hired for an interview, I would get nervous every time. You would get nervous the first time, especially the second time. But if it's your first time, it's gonna be okay. Because I would get nervous. I would might stutter probably. That's for if they ask the questions about why you want this, like you said, why you want this position and why you want to work at Walmart or something like that. And they would like just answer the question, just say like you just want to like get more experience. I would say that's why I would say you want to get more experience at working at Walmart. So kind of be independent and just want to kind of, you know, learn about working at Walmart. And another thing, they did ask me what in 5 years what I want to do. That kind of would ask you see yourself doing, still working at Walmart. I'm just gonna put that phone down. But I would say, okay, I don't know if I said the third. It's the third. Said, but I know some of y'all probably want to know, can you work when you're 15 at Walmart? I don't think you can't work at Walmart at 15 yet until you're 16. Because Walmart don't hire, they hire 16 and older. I don't think they're gonna hire you if you are 15. Then you probably have to wait until you are like 16. Yeah, I know some of y'all asking that kind of questions about that. I think the next one, I know some of y'all probably know, if you don't have no state ID or not driver license. My hiring manager told me, she said, just like if you don't have to just bring like your birth certificate and social security card. That's what I know some of y'all asking that kind of questions. And I know something about that test when you first apply at Walmart, that assessment test. If you failed it, you have to wait. How many days you have to wait? Might be 60 days you're supposed to wait. But I know you'll probably say when you got hired, you're supposed to take it again. You don't supposed to take it again if you already passed it. You don't really. The thing is that you get at Walmart is that they give you do a youth learning, train to learn about working there, especially if you are new at work at Walmart. But if you have worked at Walmart before, you still gotta take that. I know some of y'all probably asking, do they do drug tests? I might say Walmart don't really do drug tests because they never did do nothing. The only thing they do is do background check, because that's what they would do. They would, if you are a minor, they still gonna do background check on you. They gonna still do that because they still gotta check and see if you got a criminal background, because they supposed. I know you'll probably say like, why they gotta do it? Like, a lot of teenagers be getting troubles a lot from the law, so you probably need to know that they're gonna have to check your background. With the drug test, I don't think Walmart do drug tests. They never did one with me. They never did a drug test on me. They never did. I don't know. They just don't really do one. I'm trying to think of something else. I'm trying to think what else. I know this person said, well, it was 1 month ago. Said, so I've been trying to call at like 6 Walmarts and none of them want to pick up their phone. I'm gonna say this. If this happened to you and you trying to like call different Walmarts to see if they're hiring, or if you apply every different Walmart location, just keep calling them. Because I did learn, they said that if you keep calling them, they're gonna know that you want to get hired, you want to work at Walmart. Fuck the heck out of them. Like, keep calling. You have to call them during like, in the morning, or call and ask when they come in, because sometimes some managers might come in late on certain days, or they might come in the morning. Just kind of it says another person from 1 month ago. It been 9 days since I applied, and I called 4 days ago, but it was sent to voicemail. The voicemail said to leave my name and phone number, and that's what I did. Should I call again? I don't know about that, because that never happened to me. Just call the customer service and just ask that you want to talk to the hiring manager, and that's what you should just do like that. If you are trying to it's been 4 days and you apply, and ask if they look at your application. That's why I would say on that one, if they had look at your application. But it's a lot of y'all comments. I know some of y'all have been helping each other on here. If you did apply at every different location, if that Walmart don't call you back or don't call you, just call the next Walmart. If you apply at every Walmart's location, just kind of keep calling which one they will give you an interview. But if the other ones don't, just get to the one that will want to interview you. But I'm gonna go. I hope I helped this kind of questions of it. I think I didn't answer that much, but I hope some of it helps with y'all on the videos that video that I had did. That was like, I think that was last year I did that video. Yeah, that was last year, July the 16th. I got hired June the 29th. It's been a year right now, because it just passed. It's been a year since I worked at Walmart. So because my mom started watching Raw, so they're watching Raw. Y'all enjoy this video, just thumbs up on this video, and comment what position that you in. If you are working at Walmart, what position you are in right now, and tell me what you think of working there at Walmart. I don't know. And also subscribe if you are new. Subscribe. If I would say hi if you are new. Follow my social medias: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. That be in the description box. And also be safe out there, y'all, and do that. And I'll probably say stay classy, stay sassy, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.